Hello, savvy viewers. Are you ready to elevate your credit repair business? Today, we're diving into the world of credit repair payment gateways, unlocking a treasure trove of insights that'll revolutionize your payment processes and boost your credibility. In this video, we're going to delve into crucial aspects of the credit card acceptance for credit repair businesses. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more game-changing content. If you have any questions or thoughts, don't hesitate to leave them down below. Accepting credit cards. Accepting credit cards is the cornerstone of your credit repair business. It expands your customer reach by offering a preferred and convenient payment method. With a credit repair payment gateway, your clients can pay securely and swiftly, building their confidence in your services. Leveraging merchant accounts. Merchant accounts are the backbone of efficient payment processing. These specialized accounts allow you to directly accept credit card payments. Opting for a reliable merchant account service equips you with the tools to manage payments, combat fraud, and stay compliant with industry standards. Navigating high-risk payment processing. Given the unique nature of credit repair services, they often fall into the high-risk category. Effective high-risk payment processing demands a tailored approach. Choosing a payment gateway specializing in high-risk merchant processing is your shield against potential challenges, ensuring secure financial transactions. High-risk credit card processing. Security and compliance are paramount in high-risk credit card processing. A robust credit repair payment gateway ensures encryption, fraud prevention, and chargeback management. These features not only safeguard your business but also cultivate trust among your clientele. Empowering e-commerce. In today's digital landscape, e-commerce is a potent avenue for credit repair services. Enabling credit card payments on your platform opens new revenue streams. A seamless and secure online payment experience enhances customer satisfaction and bolsters your business's reputation. Credit repair and payment processing. Credit repair services and payment processing are inseparable. A specialized credit repair payment gateway caters to this industry's unique needs. It provides tailored features like subscription billing for ongoing services and integration with customer relationship management. Ideal credit repair payment gateway. Choosing the right payment gateway is a game-changer. Prioritize factors like security, website compatibility, and integration ease. Seek a solution with smooth onboarding, transparent pricing, and responsive customer support for a hassle-free experience. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe for more insightful content that empowers your business. For top-tier merchant and payment processing solutions, head over to TouchSuite's website. Revolutionize your credit repair business today. Until next time, stay empowered and goodbye.